Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to stop email notification on Indeed app. All right, so if you have an employer's account and you're receiving tons of email, you can stop that right now. So let me show you how to do it. So first step you have to take is to log into your account on indeed.com. After that, if you look at the top right corner, you're going to find this profile icon. Click on that, and then what you have to do is to select settings. Once you select that, at the left hand side of your screen, you're going to see this communication settings. Click on that, and then from here what you have to do next is to simply click on this arrow for email. Click on that, and what you just have to do next is to scroll all the way down, and you're going to find these unsubscribe from all commercial emails. All right, so just go ahead and tap on that just like that, and you'll be unsubscribed. So that's it guys. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to stop email notifications on Indeed. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel to get more helpful tips like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.